my viewers, we're going to be seeing. There are various ways that people are going to be relating to what has been said, all right? There are various ways that people are going to be interacting to what they have heard, okay? And there are all kinds of emphases that we're going to be hearing from those who have heard or who have heard what others have heard. In other words, they didn't hear what God is saying. They heard the man who heard God. Okay, so you find all these dynamics, and there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, if you're in a condition where you have not been developed or mature enough to precisely distinguish or interpret what you have heard. Everybody have the ears to hear. The scripture said, let those who have the ears hear what the Spirit of the Lord is saying. Okay, so we've passed that level where, okay, we are deaf, we can hear, all right? For those who are deaf, okay, they just need to follow, through visual, okay, follow what others are doing. And we find that in the body of Christ that certain people are completely deaf to the speakings of God. They can't hear. The Bible says, ears are they, but they cannot hear. Eyes are they, but they cannot see. Lest they turn and repent. Okay, so you've got that category of people, all right? But then you also have those men who can hear but are not hearing based on several factors. It could be because of the environment they found themselves. It could be because of their lack of maturity and understanding of the speakings of God, of the ways of God. But the bottom line is that they cannot hear, or they hear, they are not able to precisely identify and articulate, all right, what the Spirit of the Lord is saying. Remember that when Jesus spoke at the tomb of is Lazarus right now, the scripture said when he spoke, they said it thunders. They said it thunders, because they could not make sense of what he was saying. They couldn't make sense of what they heard. All right, so we've got to come to a day of maturity. This is a day of maturity. It's not a day of being frivolous and just hearing some sound, and then you get excited and you just begin to run. No, we don't want to run and miss. We want to run with accuracy. We really want to understand the mind of the Father. That is my duty. They're hearing a sound, but the sound is this. Are these people drunk? And that's what is going to be happening, as we begin to press into that which the Spirit of the Lord is saying and emphasizing for our day. All right, we're going to be seeing a lot of confusion. Okay, that you see in every move. All right, the first Reformation, the second Reformation, and even in this Reformation, if people are not matured, are not being trained, so we need the spirit of discipleship. Okay, discipleship does not necessarily mean that you're just starting your elementary or primary development in the things of God. No, at every level, as we grow in God, we need to be disciple. All right, because Christ reveals himself to us at different stages, at different levels. So we need men that can teach us, that can bring us into the accuracy, into the precision of that which the Spirit of the Lord is saying for the season and time. So we need to be discipled, amen, in the ways of the kingdom. We need to be discipled, amen, regards to, amen, the prophetic, amen, the ministry of the apostolic, the ministry, amen, of the gatekeepers. We need to be discipled when it comes to, amen, the ministry of the watchmen, amen. We've got to have, amen, a ministry of development of, you see, because another word for discipleship, it basically is, you would say, school of spiritual development. Give it that name, school of spiritual development. We need to be developed because everything, like I've said before, everything about God, amen, grows. All right, one of the default nature of God and his way is that there's a growth, and wherever there is a growth, amen, you need to help people, amen, to grow in line with that which the Father, is requiring or is demanding or is emphasizing. Okay, you can grow and grow out of order. Okay, you can grow, and not grow in the right muscle. You are not grow the right muscle, and not grow the right, knowledge, and not grow the right. They're wondering what kind of, it's not just some, confusion, or you can give it whatever name you want to give, but I can tell you, what you're seeing right now, all right, is as a result of that which has been prophesied, of that which has been declared. And that's where the ministry of, of John, and Peter, amen, really comes to play, that there is an accurate interpretation of the mind of God, of the speakings of God, of the intentions of the Father, of the declarations of the Spirit, okay, that we are not confused, all right? So that when we begin to say the kingdom of God, amen, is coming near us, all right, that we need to be prepared to go meet with the Lord. We've got to understand what all this means, amen, in terms of our call to action. We've got to know, we've got to be prepared, all right, so we are not confused, or we are not led astray by another sound, another voice, amen. Jesus said, amen, another will come who will